Welcome all. In this video tutorial we will see some of the shortcuts that are important for us. So let's begin with first we will go with shift I. Using this you can see the where is the origin of your structure. Okay, reverse, if you place shift I, that will disappear. Now second important is shift B. Because of this you will see the numbers of the beams and columns. So this will help you when you go to the output file, and if you want to see the design you can simply go there. Suppose if you want to see the design of beam number 11, you can see the design and their detailing. Okay, so that's why shift B is important key to find out the the number of the what is the number of that beam. Okay, then very important shortcut key is shift E. Because of shift E you can see where is the start point and where is the end point of your member. Sometimes what happen when we translate repeat, or we sometimes we make mistake. I will show you. If you select these members and go to tools and here redefine indices. Okay, yes, so sometimes what happen, we create our model in a such way that our end point is here and our start point is here. So this is not okay. So you can check by clicking shift E. Okay, so you can check where is your start point and where is your end point. Okay, so if it is reverse you can just select where it is, select all the, yes, go to tools, then here redefine indices. Okay, it will switch, and this is the proper way of creating the model. So this key will help you in this way. Okay, so shift E again. Okay, now we will see the top view, and there are some secondary beams. Okay, so in order to see the release portion you can click on shift R. Okay, by pressing shift R on your keyboard they will show you where are the releases. Okay, so that is also helpful. You can again press shift R. Okay, now we will slightly move towards the node portion. Okay, in order to see the node you can press shift K. Okay, so where are the nodes you can see, and if you want to see the node number you can press shift N. Okay, it will help you to identify the node number. So then when you go to the result, if you want to see the reactions of node 106 you can see easily. If you want of 46, 103, so that will help you. Okay, so we can remove now shift K and shift N. Okay, so our next very important is property assign. So if you click one second, if you click shift X it will shows the properties that we have assigned. Okay, so in simplified way you can just select, go for new view and click on OK. And if you want to see the properties that you have assigned, then you can simply click shift X or press. So here you can see rectangular 0.6 by 0.3. Okay, so this is the way you check the properties that you have assigned. Okay, shift X, here go view whole structure. Okay, now we have just seen the property assigned. Now you can click or press shift M for material assign. Here concrete is the material assigned, so press shift M again. Okay, now our next is property reference number, that if you press shift J you can see the number of the properties. That means in our property we have created many sections, different sections. Okay, so you can check the property number. Okay, shift J. Okay, now very important is shift O, because it will shows us the orientation of the member. Okay, I have made one video recently why there is movement in MZ direction all the time. So you can click on I button or check the description box. You will understand why there is always movement in MZ direction even the beam is parallel to Z direction. Okay, so you can watch that video and you will get the point. So shift O is for the orientation, beam orientation. Now we can move for loading. In loading we have different loads, dead load, live load. So by pressing shift V you can see the values. Okay, shift V is for checking the values. Now sometimes we assign master slave command, so if you press shift L you can see the master slave command is activated or not. Okay, this is the way. Now next is my favorite, view selected objects only. So suppose if you select this and you want to see only this view, press Alt VV, so this will show us the selected objects only. This is my favorite, Alt VV. Okay, I will show you once again. If I just want to see here, then select the part that you want to see and press Alt VV. Okay, this is my favorite shortcut key. Okay, then once again I will go to loading, go to dead load or any load. Here go to top view. Now if you want to see the load distribution, that is one way or two way, you can press shift Y. So you can see how the load distribution is there. Here there is no one way, so all the distributions are two-way distributions. So these are the very important shortcut keys that may help you. These are the shortcut keys related to building structure. I have not shown regarding plate or other, so I will make another video. We can name it as a part 2 shortcut keys, but after few days. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.